Welcome to the unit about virtual reality, which is part of the Tech2Match Technologies for Patients with Pain course.
You may be familiar with virtual reality as something where you can be immersed into a virtual 3D world whilst gaming. Maybe you've even tried it yourself.
In this unit, we will develop and expand your knowledge of virtual reality. You will explore how this immersive experience could be a tool to help patients manage pain.
We begin the unit by explaining virtual reality, how to set it up and how to use it. So even if you have never used this technology, you will learn everything you would need to know to prepare you for using the equipment with patients.
We will also examine the evidence supporting the use of virtual reality with diverse groups of patients in diverse settings. You will also learn about situations where virtual reality is not found to be effective and which side effects patients could experience.
You will find many activities in this unit, videos, quizzes and other interactive learning activities that are hopefully fun. And you will see some examples of virtual reality in practice. There are discussion forums where you can learn from each other and literature to read, which will encourage critical thinking about virtual reality.
We have enjoyed creating the content for this unit. We hope you enjoy working with it. Have fun